Be sure to subscribe for more content.
Hey guys and gals, so today we're going to be talking all about Ethereum once again, and I'm not going to go too much into the Ethereum merge and the details around it and what's changed and everything. But basically this morning it was very successful. The news reported that everything went smoothly. No one's reported any issues with it at the moment, so that's really good. Bearish. That's really good bullish news. However, the price hasn't been reflecting that good bullish news, as the merge occurred around 6:30 a.m. UTC, and since that, this is the 4-hour chart by the way, since that merge occurred, we've been seeing quite a bit of volatility after it with this green candle here, but we've seen this large red candle kind of envelope this green candle here. That's so the price when the merge occurred, it was around 1,600, 1,610, so just a small drop from that point. However, I do think it could be going lower, as I have found this pattern that I didn't spot yesterday that could suggest that we are going to be heading down more, so bear with me. Basically, yesterday we identified these two long lines of resistance and support. There's this really long-termish one going there, kind of roughly, and then there's this one here. And basically, there was going to be a decision made, by the end of September, really, whether the price was going to go up or whether the price was going to go down. Now, basically, since the inflation data came out, we saw this massive red candle, and now we've been consolidating in this region a bit. And I've been really eyeing this level here, this $1,460 level, as I do think is an absolutely key level there. In fact, let me draw a horizontal line just to show you where it kind of lies. So 1,460. And basically we see that there's been a nice support in this region here. We've had it tested as a support over here. And you see every time the price comes close to this point, there is some sort of consolidation where buyers and sellers battle it out for a bit before the price continues. So we see that here, we see that over here as well, and we see that several times here. And if we scroll back further, you see when this drop happens in Ethereum from 1,700 all the way down to 900, we see again another period of some consolidation here in 1,460. So I am a keen believer in this level here. And what makes me even more keen is this pattern that I think I can see forming. So this pattern here is a bear flag, and let me put that in a different color. So I think I see a bear flag forming here, and a bear flag is a temporary trend reversal in a bearish trend, in an overall bearish trend. So we see this bearish trend coming from the top, and it's been bearish now since around 11th of September. So not been bearish for long, I'll give it that. And so this bearish price movement started in the 11th of September. It's been bearish since then. And then obviously inflation data. And now we've got this massive flagpole. So this long red candle that jetted the price down from 1,740 to 1,580. And now we've been consolidating in this region. And generally the price seems to be heading in a bullish direction. It's really respecting this long-term support that we have here. And the price, is consolidating. Buyers and sellers are fighting it out a little bit. And obviously the Ethereum merge has happened, so there is a lot of eyeballs on it. But also there's good reason for quite a few people to sell. Obviously, I do think the scenario of buy the rumor and sell the news has been a policy for a lot of investors. And of course, there's Ethereum miners as well that aren't too happy with the new proof of stake model. So there's going to be a lot of selling at around this point, especially with the heightened interest around the Ethereum merge. And those are the cases to support the fact that we could be going lower, as well as this bear flag. And the bear flag, the price target for a bear flag typically is, the price, as soon as it breaks out below this support that we've drawn here, we should see a price target the size of the flagpole before it, so something like that. And if we drag that underneath, so if it breaks out here, for example, where we are within this 4-hour candle, you can see that the price target is just below where we've drawn the 1,460 mark. So the fact that it's very close to this level here makes me even more convinced that this is going to be the price level that we are going to reach. And so if we do break out of this bear flag, obviously I want to see increased volume. This is where it gets a bit touchy because the volume has increased in this area. It's kind of expected though, because there's going to be heightened interest around Ethereum at this point. So the volume is just naturally going to be higher. So I am looking for a breakout to have extended volume, but it should be a fairly swift one, you know. So with the bear flag, it's a temporary reversal in the bearish trend, so it's going in an upwards direction, but the breakout should be very swift, and we should see long red candles come below this. So you want to keep your eyes on the charts, you know, throughout the day. And if you see the price cross below this at anywhere 1,570, 1,560, it could be 1,550. If you see the price starting to jet down, then that is a good time to be selling your Ethereum, or open a short on Ethereum rather. So that's basically what I'm really looking at the moment. I am seeing this bear flag as the most convincing pattern in the short term, might I add. So I'm talking within the day, basically. So as you know, bear flags, they tend to be typically short trend reversals. So if this was to continue on for the next few days, for example, then it sort of invalidates this bear flag. So really what we're looking for is a break below the support line of this bear flag within, say, the day, so within the next 20 candles on the 1 hour chart here. So that's basically what I'm looking at this point. I will be shorting if it does break below that support. And I'm going to be keeping my eyes in general on this chart, and I'm going to be updating my profile as well, the BigBC Finance and Trading View. So if you're not yet followed that, be sure to follow this, because obviously I will update this before I post a video about it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say in this video. Hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and comment below whether you are longing or short on Ethereum.